Yeah, slowly move some leaves on that. Guys, put some leaves on that. Put some dry leaves on that.
Wet leaves.
Balaji.
Charlie, put some dry. Oh my God. Charlie, you better go that way. Oh.
Hey, do you want a lighter?
Lighter.
That would help.
Lighter. Charlie, lighter. Charlie, don't cover it with your body. Go that side.
Look, it's coming. The air is going in here and coming out there.
No, you go that side. Don't cover the smoke with yourself.
You do it from here.
Wait, Charlie, wait. I'll use the lighter.
You better lighter.
Wait.
Keep the fire going.
Keep it straight.
There we go.
Already down, man, actually.
It'll go. Put the leaves in.
You want more dry?
Charles, you come this side and do it. Wait, Manika.
Give it to me.
There's an easy answer to this.
Yeah, that's it. You take another.
No, just put the lighter itself under that.
Fire will always be coming up.
Okay.
Nauranga place.
We had a matchbox, right?
Yeah. Who has a matchbox?
Matchbox.
Guru was having it. Guru.
Charlie,
Guru was
if you
having
are
the matchbox.
blowing on that, just go other side. Don't cover your body.
கொடுத்துருக்கேன்.
Hey, wait, Charles.
Wait, I'll get the paper.
எங்கன்னு தெரியலையா டேய் அப்படி சொல்லாத தேடு
காணாமல் போன அறிவிப்புல
Yeah, the leaves aren't going so well.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah?
I'm getting this small thing. It's fine.
We have these.
கிளம்பு தம்பி தொல்லை தாங்க முடியல தம்பியோட பாசம் தாங்க முடியல
These leaves are useless actually.
because you're better Charles
Charlie, take this.
Okay.
candle
Then come here.
super candle யாரவன்
Okay, just keep it under that. Keep blowing it. Pot.
ஐயோ
Oh no. Blowing should work.
One more candle.
It's working. Let
it take time here leave it no leave for few minutes
We need one more candle.
No, it's okay. It's not working. It's just going out. Use some papers.
Yeah,
or
now it's
dry
working.
leaves.
Now it's working.
Yeah. It's
இல்ல
coming.
dry leaves
இங்க வெட்டா இருக்கு
அண்ணாதான் சொல்றேன் அந்த
Buddy, let me get the paper.
Yeah, get a paper, no? Where's the
தம்பி தொலை தாங்க முடியல
இன்னொரு ஃபயர் எங்க பண்ணலாம் இன்னொரு கேம்ப் ஃபயர்
Now, gently.
நீ பேசணும்னு தான் வந்து நீ பேசணும்னே நான் பதிச்சு பாரு
Okay, we're ready for some. No, too big. Too big? These ones. The ones in here.
wait for few
Wait,
seconds
take the
yeah.
paper.
Wait then
Oh, it's going. Let's go.
no let's wait
Needed.
See, those things are too thin to hold a fire. Take the paper.
Let us speak.
தரவலே என்ன மட்டும் காப்பாத்து இந்த தம்பி தொலை
Put it in.
இல்ல அதுல இருந்து எரிஞ்ச குச்சை ஒண்ணு வச்சீங்கன்னா பாஸ்தா
Charlie, you're too much into smoke. You'll faint.
இங்க இருக்க
Put the paper under that.
கேம்ப் எங்க போடலாம்
you can move that side
Charlie, watch your back. Guys, watch the fire.
Charlie, go sit that side.
அந்த உள்ள உள்ள
Charlie.
அந்த உள்ள உள்ள I got two. I used one in the pool. இன்னொன்னு தலைகீழ இருந்தா சீக்கிரம் எரியும்
taking video
இப்படி இருந்தா ஸ்லோவா எரியும்
Slowly on.
பொறுமை
That's a good one actually to get
You can break it. You can break it. Break it. Take it out and break it. Right, Charles? Take it out and break it slowly. Slowly. Take it out slowly. No. Don't. Okay. Okay. Add some small pieces. Yeah. See, the
fire is. Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Listen, guys.
Take it slow. No,
Guys, if the woods are like this, it will burn for more time. If it's like this, it will burn soon.
No, wait, Charles. Charles, wait, now it's started there.
Let's catch some fire.
கொஞ்சம் மாறிங்க.
No, put some dry leaves.
The leaves seem to be dry, but they are actually not dry.
Something dry.
That's the problem.
Now we can go
great,
for
yeah,
Then we
that
can
stops
put
great. Yeah,
paper
Mark is
no.
excellent.
Now we can go for little bigger twigs.
What's burning there?
Four.
Can't see actually. Put light and here see.
We got.
Yeah, I can
coming up.
Okay, let's have some water and boil the water. Yeah.
I'm zooming in. Put more action.
Hey, you have a flash, right? I'm getting videos.
Yeah.
No. Just leave it. It'll catch it.
Powerful touch hard, okay?
For cooking, we want bigger logs, right? We want bigger logs.
Yeah. First let it catch fire, and then we have lots. We have lots.
இங்க touch. அந்த touch கூட போ. அந்த touch கூட. சிவா.
அடுத்த வாலஜி
எதுங்க?
போதும் இல்ல. அது வேற ஆன் பண்ணி ஆஃப் பண்ணவே
You have some dry bark.